Emergent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lorain County, Cuyahoga County, Medina County until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Grafton and moving east at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Litchfield, Medina, Strongsville, Cleveland, North Ridgeville, Avon Lake. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Lorain, and Medina.
A special weather statement.